no gold is not enough.
Good morning, guys. Hope you guys has an amazing day. Today is bright sunny day, and that bird sound, it sounds amazing. You guys can hear it. Not so much now. Well, I'm going to have my breakfast. That is a cool bird sound. So basically this is my breakfast. Some sausage and the instant noodle. Just boil and toss it, and that's all. Right, let's have a good breakfast. Raining. Nothing much we can do today, guys. Only stay home. Toby is there. Excuse me. Toby. Oh, just make our road bad and slippery and muddy. Well, what can we do? Mother Nature call, right? Let's see if we can zoom at the mountain. Oh, foggy. Oh, look at that. Mountain kind of disappear inside the cloud. Well, that is the rain season. Not much we can do. Water's all dripping. Finally the rain is stopped. Hey people, today we continue our vlog and we're going to fetch our dad, and let's go. Okay guys, alright, today we're going to, yesterday we're supposed to send our palm fruit, but today the day is good, so now we are going to fetch my dad. He is in the block, farm, so I hope he's not getting stuck, so that's why we're going to fetch him, see if the car is good. So let's go, let's find out together. Alright, let's go. So main bridge that's connected to the Samling block road. It's quite slippery, but we're doing fine if we have a four-wheel drive.
Wah. Bekerja, mereka balik tu.
Hah? Salah. Alright. We're going to fill this one first, the palm fruit, because it descend here quite steep here. So later on we just go ahead and go lajak here. Yeah, whatever we call it. We want to sprint and fast to climb this mountain later on. When we climb here later on, it will be problem. I hope no problem. It's quite dry, yeah. Oh my god, it's
Jalan air dia, air ikut.
Yep. Oh, ada hasil sudah, ha? Baguslah.
Banget belah tu. Budget.
It's bright sunny days. We hopefully for this day we continue like this so that we can continue our job. And as you guys can see, the hotness, the breeze. I have to wear my singlet. So that is how hot it is. So you guys know I really like the sweetness of the food. I'm a big fan of chocolate. So my wife just asked me why are you so fat? And then I said to her, I'm not really, my appetite is not really that good. I just like to eat the junk food, you know,
When you're sick.
especially
Sick.
chocolate when I'm
you're
sick.
right?
Yeah, I know, when I'm sick. And
It's
then
not healthy, guys.
I know it's not healthy. That's why that is last time before I marry you. Before we get married. So my basically my diet is not that good, guys. It's not really good. So that's the first time. That is the first place I gain so much weight. And plus my ankle also, and then always got injured. So I always rely on other people to ask, give me food, then they feed me. But I just eat like regular. The only abnormal dietary that I eat is chocolate. Consume too much sweet.
How many you play egg dog?
Oh, I've been injured for a long time.
One year, man.
No, more than 1 year. 3 months kan.
3 months?
3 months, 2 months like that kan.
Ikaw lupa aku.
I don't know, forgot already. I don't want to remember that. So that's why that is how I gained this much weight, not like last time. And my wife asked me, so since I married you, then I said to her, since I married you, I don't need that. I don't need chocolate. You are my sweetness of my life. Yeah.
Because I'm sweet already, guys.
Alright, that's enough about us. Alright guys, we're going to try to climb this mountain, the impossible mountain. We just dig a little bit here and there, scrap here and there to make it even a bit, so that it will not really bit bumpy, and scrape a little bit of the mud. And we got stuck. You guys can see or not? Tire stuck. Try down a bit. Oh yeah! Oh yeah! Let me see a professional things. Satu tangan di. Satu tangan. Hei. Pag ginantayan na rin pa dipagdut. Saya coba atau dia punya kaki. Saya main sedikit. Saya slow saya angkatnya. Slow the pedal, the minyak pedal slowly. Then it can go.
Mine down.
Yeah. Oh. The mountain just now, and then look, we have a friend here. What are those? What is this? Look at us.
Hello, friend.
Is it some kind of beetle or?
Why cannot focus this one? Hello, friend.
Okay.
What is this?
It's hard to focus because it's on the screen, on the mirror. car mirror.
Bear elephant bear.
Yeah. What type of duck is that? Comment down below, guys.
Oh. Bye bye. Friend. Hidung dia macam elephant. Sayap dia macam butterfly. Badan dia macam tiling. What is this? Apakah ini, guys? Hello, friend.
That's what you get. The last pit stop. The last one. Here. The last one. We're going to check it out. Which part is better? We're going to check for a while. See. This is our palm fruit. That is terrible, man. That's really terrible. It's quite deep. All I'm afraid is my car stuck on the chassis area, so we got stuck. Oh wow, that is so cool. It's like nothing. We are at the mill, almost at the mill, but look at here, look at that one. The Optimus Prime is stuck at the landslides. I think, yeah. Let me get a closer view. The idea is to kind of like this will tow him back, tow him up there, going there. So they using this cable and chain.
The truck is stuck here.
Truck is stuck here, guys, so I didn't get the footage for you, so we going down. I think the small car only can go here. Bigger car cannot. Been waiting for how many minutes, Yang? I think almost half an hour. Yeah. So during many times we send the fruit guys, send this fruit to the mill. We always like ignore our self-conscious, like want to pee, want to poop, do your little business. We always ignore it. It's okay. We arrive we can be arrived at the mill that we can do our business. But now today we learn. We stuck. So we learn something today. If you want to go, you go and poop first. You go and pee first before you do the journey. You never know the road is going to be good or bad. Whatever happen on the road, you never know. Yep. So those truck you see on the right is the truck they cannot go. Yeah, they cannot go. So place is so little, so place they cannot pass through. Only for smaller SUV can be passed.
So many
Yeah.
dari minyak sawit.
Oh, lot. They park until here, It's very dangerous if a car come from there, like small car lah.
Dah lebih laju sana kan.
Yeah, true.
Tapi juga maintain saja. Takut kita ke jalan raya nih guys. Kita tidak hati-hati, orang yang tidak hati-hati.
Yeah, you have to be extra vigilant, extra cautious. If not you, others will do the mistake
Yeah.
while you're driving.
Karena kita selalu jalan ke jalan guys.
Stay vigilant, guys. Stay vigilant, like
Untuk kami juga guys.
yes.
Kita selalu ke atas jalan.
Yeah. Because our life is on the road, right? Our job is on the road. Always be cautious, and we need the prayers, as many prayers.
Ini bagus na jalan dia guys.
Yeah.
Sampai ke tabor ini batu. Kalau tidak licin semua nih tanah merah.
Tanah merah. Disebut in tanah merah in Malay, it's a red soil, red earth. Yeah, so it indicates very slippery type of soil for your tire to grip.
Ketua.
Sengaja aduh. Karena janji tadi. We tell our father, our dad, if we didn't show up around 6:30 p.m. You should come and check us lah. Because the car just now, I think that is the main thing, the sound making. Like that, something annoying sound. Yeah, so I think it came from the mud that we scoop by because yeah, we scoop by because we are very wet kan, the weight is extra wet already. So when we pass the mud, at the same time we scoop it. Scoop like ice cream and chocolate.
Bawa kereta.
Yeah.
Cepat tidak guna.
Doesn't make sound anymore.
Kalau slow baru ada. Oh my god.
Alright. I feel so energetic because I'm not yet pooping. Alright. As usual, safety is our number one priority.
baru kita susah hati guys kerja. Panas-panas baru dia. Oke guys, kita tolong suami dulu guys.
Excavator. You can see a excavator in front here trying to work on repairing the road. That's cool, that's cool.
Canggih kayak Kak.
I really enjoy to see the how he works. From when I was a kid, I really like to see this. This is my favorite toy. Let's do pass through. Okay, again we are going to buy my wife is going to buy the ration for the workers. Hi honey,
Hi.
you going to buy ration for the workers? Stay. Open that one. Why do you need to open that one? We cannot press anything later on.
Masih pakai ini.
Sanitize. Yeah, follow your guideline, yo.
Saya pakai ini guys.
SC Johnson. Yes, SC Johnson Family Guard.
Dengan detol guys.
Betul, yes.
Saya pergi dulu ya guys.
Okay, take
Jangan
care.
ikut gue guys.
Okay. Bye. Don't show them that. It's our secret.
Bye bye.
Bye bye.
Dari yang.
There she is. There she is.
Hi guys.
Hi.
Beli guys.
You have fun shopping?
No, because I fight with Corona.
Yeah.
Oke guys, kita balik guys.
Alright. That is the workers' homestay. I homestay. Yeah. The estate workers' homestay.
Terus guys, benar biru.
Yes. If the Optimus Prime that stuck just now already unstuck, doesn't block the road, let's see first. Let's see if he can go. All the big truck are all gone already here. Only this one. I think this one is problem. Yeah.
Stuck
Stuck na din.
lalu. Belum.
Problem thing. Hopefully, everything is
Oh.
good.
Iya. Dapat stuck. Oh, baru dah pano kan? Kakak pun laki ng tadi.
Oh my
Oh,
god.
baru dah pano nih jamnya. Baru orang jalan guys. Yang truk besarnya.
Yuk.
Tapi sini sedikit yang baru jalan.
Alright, let's get a better view. Let them pass through first. Oh my god.
Yang bawah sini tadi baru jalan, yang ini lagi jalan.
Dah lah, ke tepi dah. I want to go so close to the one. Honan juga.
Dang.
Right.
Lori stuck deh, ini tuh budik tadi kayak stuck.
Oh.
Dutan tuh mungkin.
Oh yeah,
That one.
this guy.
Dutan lebih nih guys. Tengok susunan
This is,
pandai betul.
I think this is a 2 ton plus. And then the compactor giving a good job there. Let me zoom a little bit. Zoom a little bit more so you guys can see what happened there.
Kalau hujan-hujan terus nih guys, rusak betul nih.
Yeah.
Karena hari ini panas nih bagusnya.
We are at the RA camp. And we're going to buy some meat over here, some frozen meat. Think we're going to QQ kayang. QQ. Alright. I hope the all of the shop is there, the tauke is there, because we just want to drive through here.
Do buku sukses dong ya. Bikin ayam.
Ayam 1 kilo. Hah? Ayam 3 kilo atau apa? 치즈 반 4 kilo. Ayo sosis roast brand 2包 again. Over here is really good. Yeah. What is it, Yang? You want to say something?
Ayo.
Iya, nah yang mau while we waiting for our meat, frozen meat. Mana yang? 전부 다 상. 치즈 72엔. true, man. That's true, man. Shout out to this okay, man. RA Canteen. Shout out to this okay. It's cool, man.
Eh, kuriji sukses na yun.
Oh, I will ask later on.
Sabi naman dito.
Yeah, you should know how much it is.
大概是呢，
那个 sausage dog 一个多少
6块，
？6块哈。
对
啊，要给我的帮人吃。
啊6块
6块
是12，那个鸡翅膀60、72。
哦，好，谢谢你。
谢谢你。
That is this is the canteen that we buy just now. It doesn't look like a canteen, but it has everything you need there. Everything you need. Not everything entirely. like the daily basis kind of thing, yeah. Like the meat, chicken wing, yeah, something like instant noodle. Some, yeah, toothpaste. They selling toothpaste also. So daily needs, something like daily needs. Okay. Yeah, little. Okay. See you guys at home. We are home already. Now we are at our workers' place, and I just want to show you guys. There's a bird. So what type is it? Look at that. In Malay, they call this a murai, I think. This is murai. And the other one is wichau. Yeah, tidak sama. The other one is wichau. Yeah. Let me on the right for you guys. You can see. You can see. And that is a white car. Cool. Yang ini wicau kah? Oh, murai. Yang ini murai. This one is murai. Murai. This is wicau.
Takut sama yang
Yeah, I know. Wicau tuh? Simple, nice house for the bird. Aku ya. Let's get it. Alright, let's go home. We just arrived home, and my dad is spraying there, spray the car, wash a bit down there, cause you know the car just now is scooped a lot of mud down there, so it's a muddy, slippery road at the back. So now we are home. Alright guys, this is the end of the vlog. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and like and share our channel, and also don't forget to hit that little bell icon on the side so that you get a newest video from us. And also check it out our latest and our oldest video also. Thank you guys. See you guys again. Peace, y'all.